Smells so good.
My friends.
It smells like gummy bears.
Alright, let's get to the point of this video.
Hey guys!
You may have seen our
Slime repairs video. And Siri chooses our paint for slime video. So we're doing another slime video. So we are making another slime video. This time it's Siri picks her food coloring with a twist.
Not paint.
Food coloring. Yeah, but with the twist. There's 5 food colorings and we don't know which one is number 1. So we're gonna ask Siri.
Yes. So I'm behind the camera today, and
She's gonna add in.
I have five food colorings.
We know what they are.
They know what colors they are, but I do not. And then we're gonna ask Siri
I'm going to go grab her Siri.
questions.
Hey, Tetra, do you have a Siri or glass? Go grab it. Go get it. Okay.
We're gonna ask a series of not a series of questions, but I have a number assigned to each one. So we're gonna ask Siri a number 1 through 5. They do not know which color is assigned to which number, so it's gonna be interesting. And then I have different glitters. They also don't know which ones. And I have maybe some extra add-ins.
Fish bowls.
Maybe not. And I also have one mystery thing that no one, I don't think anyone knows. Anyone knows? Woo.
Okay.
What?
Whatever.
I think you hear you.
Are we ready to start? Yeah.
Yes.
I've got Siri.
All right,
Who wants to go first?
Let's give me Siri.
But we get to ask Siri. You're not asking first. We actually get to ask.
Number 1 through 5?
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. See who's gonna ask Siri first. Why are you taking that? Alyssa's gonna ask, or whoever's going first. Yeah.
Who's going first?
I don't know. No, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. I don't care. I can go last. Rock.
Sally got shot by a UFO. Who do you want to go first?
Okay, come here, Kenny.
No, you have to take it over here. I'm picking it over here. And then you have to
Number 1 through 5.
The answer is 5.
You got 5. But we're just gonna do it when we're done. Okay?
Don't give me
Okay, I know what color you got.
Hey Siri,
It's a good color.
pick a random number 1 through
I
5.
want this to be like a pool.
A random number between
1.
1 and 5 is 1.
What'd you get?
I got 1. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 5.
It's 1.
Alright. Should I do a different one so we don't have the same color?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Pick a number 1 through 5.
The answer is 3.
Okay. 1, 3, 5.
That really is
1
so
through
close
5.
to me. 1 through 5 is just 2.5. It's just
Okay.
0.5 away. So close.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah. I just know the colors we
I
have.
want blue, and then I want to put like
So
fish
here
marks.
are the.
Wait, the colors we have are light green, dark green, blue,
So-
purple, and pink.
We have
Light green?
this kind of thing. Light green. What's this? Dark green. Blue.
Purple.
Purple. And red.
Pink.
Kind of red.
Pink.
Oh, it's pink. Okay.
Okay, so it looks red, but it turns.
Are you guys ready to see who got which color?
Yes. I think I got red.
I'm
For
gonna
some
follow.
reason, I think I just got pink for some reason.
Alyssa, do you think you got red?
Pink.
Pink, red?
I think I did.
Get pink or red? Pink, red,
Yeah.
pink. You are correct, Alyssa. You did get red.
Pink.
So one was red.
That's a weight lift on off my shoulders.
That's
I did not want
Kennedy,
that.
what color did you think you got?
I don't know. I just really wanted blue.
Well,
Can
you're
I
correct. You got blue.
Oh my gosh!
Lexi, what color did you not want?
The dark green.
Got the dark green. This is like the gods of fate. No, this is actually.
Can I put mine in? That color, please. Can I put mine in, please?
That's what the colors were.
Can I please put mine in now? I think Kennedy is gonna win.
No, I was gonna put the first drop in.
Well, they didn't listen to you.
Are you gonna more than that, Kennedy?
Please move that. Maybe. I don't know. I want it to be
look at
really.
Maybe Lexus is the only one that gets the
Wow,
extra.
it's so
Too
perfect.
dark.
Pink.
So.
Just put put 1 drop left.
This is so much darker than I wanted it to be.
Yeah, mine is too, but I like hot pink.
This is too dark.
I just didn't want any greens. Yeah, neither did I.
Sorry.
Okay, this is how much color I want.
I'm fine with the light green. I'm just putting a little in this.
This is the color I want. It looks red, but I like it.
I'm sure in the light it'll look more like a pool.
Sure, why isn't the light on? Can someone go turn on the light?
Oh my gosh, you got the Powerpuff white cars.
Powerpuff Girls!
Powerpuff Girls!
I got
If you guys ever watched Powerpuff Girls,
I
comment
used
down
to-
below.
I used to love
Not
it.
sponsored.
I used to love it. I used to love it.
Like if you used to watch it.
Please tell me I get like some sort of fishbowl beads. But I hope it's not a bad color fishbowl beads.
I remember.
Bad color.
I remember.
Ruining all this clear.
I'm pretty sure a YouTuber Wendy was one of the Powerpuff Girls, Bliss, in some of the episodes.
You got
The new
Blossom.
one.
Bless is
I'm the last one. I'm the oldest.
Actually, she is.
Actually, they're all twins.
But Blossom is the oldest.
Triplets, whatever.
Well, okay, Blossom acts like the oldest.
Because she likes buffing people around, even though that's not actually how oldest works. Right, Alexis?
It's more like the youngest. It is. You guys boss us around.
Alright,
more
can
than
we
do.
activate these or are we adding anything else?
No, we activate and then we add our copies. So can you pass me the activator?
You guys don't know which is which, so you guys don't
I'm gonna
know
move this because I
if
don't
you're
want
gonna
it
get
to
fishbowl
broke.
stuff or not.
Oh, I hope we get fishbowl stuff.
I hope I
I
get
want
fishbowls
clear
too.
fishbowls or white glitter.
I want like white glitter or some kind of fishbowl. I want pink, white, or white glitter or some kind of fishbowl.
We have the mystery, and only one of you will get this mystery ingredients. Dun 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 dun
Pass me
dun
that
dun
glitter,
dun dun.
Donna, Donna, I would have watched the May.
Since we're making a small
The men, yeah,
starting with the-
Dad showed us one of the scenes. It was so cool. It was really unexpected. Me and Kenny watched like Jaws 1, 2, and 3, and I also watched
Third is let down.
a third is a letdown. Yeah,
I
it's
saw
terrible.
it because they showed.
I think it's like I think it's from the best to the worst as it goes on. And there's also Jaws: The Revenge. It was okay. It's definitely better than the
It's
third.
better than the third, 100%, like 1,000 times better.
Gotta mix.
But I guess it's because the third one is in 3D, so I guess that's one of the reasons. But
It's not. It shouldn't be in 3D then.
no, if it's in 3D.
40 is really good because it's like real life.
What is 40?
There's like bubbles for rain.
Like we were in Universal Studios somewhere, and then we watched something, and then there like the chairs moved, and there was bubbles.
Why did I touch that? I need a napkin. My slime is not looking best. I'm not looking, okay? But you have to do stuff that'll match a little bit.
Well, she just
If
chose
they have
random
pink
ones. and
fish
we're doing-
bowls, I want pink fish bowls. Do you have pink fish bowls like at all in that kit?
Just like not good.
Wait, so Alexis,
This is like not.
what color?
good.
I think I know what Alexis would want, so I'm gonna choose some options for her.
And just so you pick it.
And yeah, Alyssa, I think I know which ones would match hers.
Oh,
And
God.
I already said some that I kind of want. Oh gosh, this is not looking like the best.
And Kennedy, I did not listen to you,
All
so
clumsy
I
and
think I might give you the
I
same
think-
ones as Alexis.
I need a towel.
Got it?
Can you grab one for each of us? I don't need one,
Oh,
but
gosh,
grab.
it's on my pants.
Can you grab one for Ray
It's
and then
getting
one for-
there.
Oh,
you touch it.
remember in our 2-hour video that we didn't post? Remember that one? When your slime was ruined, it was all over the table and it was so messy.
Yeah, let's not do that again. That took a long time.
Well, we added the
Thanks for your
Elsa
towel.
and Anna soap.
Toothpaste.
Do not use Elsa and Anna toothpaste.
It's Crest Kids toothpaste. I'm sorry, it just does not.
That's
work.
sponsored.
You can
YouTube
Well,
channel.
it
It's
was
not
5
sponsored
years
by
old.
Reagan.
It's 5 years old and it does taste good.
Damn paper towel.
Yeah, she thinks it tastes horrible. She thinks it tastes good. Hey, can you grab me another paper towel, please? You just got it, and I thought you didn't need it.
Alright, this
Well,
toothpick thing feels like it's about to break, so it's probably ready.
No, it's not ready anymore.
Woo! Empty.
I already started playing with water.
That's as many paper towels as you get, so cherish them.
I just put one drop of this in. Look, it feels really nice. I really wanted any color except the one. I may have overactivated it. I need like
Well,
one.
that turned out better, I think.
Yeah, I need like a little bit of lotion. I thought it was gonna be like as dark as it is in the bottle. I really want
I think
like,
you would have been
lotion.
luckier
I think I
if you got this and
overactivated
this.
mine.
This is disgusting.
I think I overactivated mine.
It's yellow, but it looks
What
like
does
orange.
water do to slime? Does it? We forgot to add water. Go get the water.
No, there's water in the borax.
But we need more water. It makes it stretchier. That's what water does. We need water. Reagan, can you grab us some water each? There are like 100 cups right there. Yeah, mine's not stretchy. I need water. Definitely. I might have overactivated it, but I think I just need water.
The more water you use, the less glitter you get. Dun, 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 dun.
Are you kidding?
How much water did you need?
I don't know. You don't need that much. Just can I get a
Yeah, I'll get a spoon.
Get one of the But literally, you're not actually gonna do the more water we use, the less glitter we get.
No.
Okay, good.
But I might give you really small portions.
What if we what if for just in say we don't want to add any toppings? Do we have to add something in it?
Ooh, water.
I think we should add.
Is this a weird?
I like the feeling of this, but it's not stretchy enough. Can you pass me the water, KK?
I think I know what colors Penny wants, and I think I know what colors Watson
I
wants.
want fish bowls. I want the clear fish. I didn't
I
really
don't care about fish bowls as
about
long
what
as
I
it's
got. As long as
Green
I
fish
still
bowls would be
really-
fine, but I'd rather have clear.
Yeah, clear ones for you would be really cool.
Um,
I want pink fish.
Overactivation.
Water makes it stretchier. Maybe it just needs water.
I really thought that this. needed
Alright
to be
guys,
clear.
I'm gonna set a timer.
What? What's the timer?
And then after the timer ends,
Feels so
you're going to I'm just gonna watch my videos. Ha ha ha.
It's a little bit stretchier. The more water you add, the stretchier it gets. Okay, then I need a lot more water.
Okay.
Does water help with when it's overactivated?
I don't know. Maybe it's just not stretchy enough because it's missing the water. Because last time we added water.
Well, last time we added a buttload of lotion.
Yeah, we did. So our parents said we're not allowed to use it anymore.
I don't want to use lotion this time. 'cause
I
it's
don't.
just not
Yeah, I
gonna
don't
be-
either. It ruined our slime. But even if we did, we couldn't have it.
The lotion didn't really ruin the slime. It just made it not clear. And sort of
Yeah,
the
our
paint.
other ones, we used clear glue. They aren't clear at all. So we added a bunch of lotion.
And paint. You did do the paint.
Okay. Yeah, but not the Is this the water? No, that's not.
Well, yeah, some of that.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. It looks weird. So now I need to keep playing with it.
Okay, you guys have a timer. I'm not gonna tell you when it's over. You have this much time, and then we're gonna do glitter.
Slash fish bowls or just glitter and then just fish bowls?
Glitter and more time than fish bowls. Maybe. Actually, I'm not even sure if you guys are gonna get fish bowls.
Hey, it's getting stretchier because I added water.
I'd rather you have fish bowls or not put anything in it at all.
I'd rather have fish bowls than glitter.
You guys don't want glitter?
Well, I still want glitter. I'd just rather have fish bowls.
Yeah, me too.
If I could only have
Well,
one.
but
I'd
we're
probably
running
both.
low.
And whatever
pause music to limit the time. Da-da.
Whichever thing you get, you have to add it in. You don't
Come
have
on,
to
Penny. Da-da,
Ah! If you get scum stuck on your pants, use ice.
and blood.
I can't really do anything. It's all wet.
You guys in 4 seconds over time. Now we're doing glitter.
Okay.
What's up in your phone?
Why?
Because
Why? I'm bringing my slime over here so we can see. The iPad's over there.
you have to go over there. You guys don't know which groups you're. No, listen, you have to go over there by that part.
If your slime is overactivated, add
You
some
need to come
water.
over there.
Do what I did.
Okay, what's up? Ask Siri a number 1 through 3.
Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through 3.
A random number between 1 and 3 is 1.
1.
Okay.
Wait, do we all have to have different numbers for this one? No, because they're all gonna be different ingredients for each.
Kennedy, pick a number. Ask Siri number 1 through 3.
Pick a number 1 through 3.
That would be 2.
Can you press it, please? Pick a number 1 through 3.
It's 3.
Oh.
1 through 3.
We all got different numbers anyway.
You guys got all my glitter.
We all got glitter?
Well, we're
Yeah, I
also
was
gonna
gonna
eat with glitter. Yeah, but the next round is gonna be fish.
Then I'm adding it, so you might not get that much. So, Alyssa, I got red.
Okay. Don't
Kenny
add
got
that
blue.
much. Don't add
Oh
that
my
much.
gosh, I got blue.
And Alexis got silver.
I'd rather have silver.
I'd rather have silver.
It would add a
You guys, I think all heads. You guys all heads.
I'd rather have blue or silver. Can you not add that much of the red, please?
How did this end up so perfect? Because we got like the exact same colors we did, but Alexis got silver. And that magic.
Well, mine was supposed to be pink, and
Your
it
sister.
is. Mine is pink, but Reagan wrote
Robbing
red.
it. Leaking, I need a plastic bag for this. Where are your plastic bags? Where are your plastic bags?
I don't
This
know.
is like putty, but the more water
You
I
should.
add, the more slime.
Alexis,
I need this. You're getting blue in the water. I kind of want blue water though. Why? I want my Okay, Reagan, can you get each of us our water cup?
This one's mine.
Because Kennedy dipped her slime in it and now it's blue. So we each need our own cup for water.
We should add the food coloring to water so it wouldn't be as strong.
I see. Well, eventually the
I'm gonna make like a hole
away.
for it,
It's gonna be really like.
I'm gonna make a hole for it,
Okay.
okay?
It'll just be like a
That you can
transparent.
dump it
It
in.
won't be just. It won't look like this. It'll be transparent. Okay, there you go.
Eventually. That's a long time.
That's my
Don't-
Alexis bag.
That's how much.
Alright, we're not gonna post
Yeah, I
this
don't
video
really
for
want
2
that
days
much red
because we're gonna
glitter.
add another clip in showing you how it turns out
We are.
when it's clear.
Okay, how do you combine?
And if we get 10 likes in
We
this
might.
video, we will have already made clear slime at the beginning of the video. We will put some
we don't
glitter in
have
it and
any
we will
glue
coat it.
left, Kennedy.
We'll buy some more.
If our dad will let us. Oh, they have. They should have.
Yeah, we're buying this time. And by we, I mean me. Not that I have a credit card. I don't have a credit card.
I'm gonna grab a water cup, okay? I need water.
Not that people who have credit cards are old. Just let me finish mixing in this stuff.
No, you don't get telling me.
It doesn't
No,
look like
listen, listen, use the same cup.
No, because Kennedy made it blue.
Well, then dump it out.
No!
Yes, Alyssa, you're
I'm
wasting
dipping it inside it, okay?
No, Alyssa, you're wasting cups.
No.
Fine, then you might get the space.
It's 1 cup.
Kenny.
Let me just
I'm just gonna put some water
just
in
a tiny
this
bit,
cup.
just like a sprinkle or two.
I'm just gonna put water
Look
in
how
my
much he
slime.
added for us.
Alyssa, you could
I
have
know.
just put water in
That is just
your
like a
slime
cup.
cup. Because we're not using
Yeah.
that cup anymore.
That will just add like the perfect shimmerness.
just dipped it in and then I started stretching it. But it's probably because I didn't play with it for a while, so it kind of like melted it down.
I'm just gonna let this soak. Okay.
Yeah, good idea.
Now I'm gonna play with it under.
I'm just gonna let that soak while I clean up my spot.
I'm gonna play with this under the water. I'm just gonna see.
All right, can we do the fish feed stuff soon?
Fishbowl beads.
Fish bowl.
You guys might not get fish bowls because people might be mean.
What do you mean being? I'm not being mean.
And
I let
people
you-
might be.
I let you put the food coloring in mine.
Yeah, I know. I said might.
forgot to let you.
But I said it and then you put it in.
I'll let you do everything else, okay?
I know people might be mean, and so you guys might not get them. Might.
Why is
M-I-G-H-T.
there water over here, Kennedy?
I'm sorry. I'll wipe it up.
I might give you fish bowls. I might not.
Alexis, what have you done to me?
One of you are gonna get the special ingredient though, but I don't think any of you.
What
guys
if
want.
who gets the special ingredient doesn't want that? Do they have to use it?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to use all the ingredients we get. Okay.
Sucker?
But what if it doesn't? Like, is the special ingredient gonna match our slimes?
Yeah, there's colors that will match all of your slimes separately.
Okay. So like one color that would match mine, one that would match Kennedy, one that would match yours.
Wait, is this a fish bowl?
That counts as fish bowls.
No, these are just regular beads.
But we'll count them as fish bowls.
I hope I don't get those.
They don't even match anything.
They would really not match mine. They would be okay with yours because purple.
They would be, yeah, but like they don't.
It would be worse with mine.
This is supposed to be a pool, Alexis.
Okay, then we're fine with this.
This is supposed to be lava, pink lava,
Yeah.
like in Super Mario Odyssey.
Kennedy.
The glitter added a nice little shimmer, like pools.
We're
And
in the
Super-
water.
This is not sponsored
It's
by
not.
anything, but in Super Slime Simulator, it's a super fun game we all play. It's a slime game, and I made a pool slime, and it's got little duckies in it, and some beach balls, and it's got clear blue slime. The blue's a little bit lighter.
Wow, I can see it.
I'm sure if we had like some clear stuff, it's like okay adding in, but like we're not adding.
That is like the perfect amount of glitter that.
Wait, what does soap do again?
Makes it stretchier.
And foamier. Foamy soap replaces shaving cream.
Can I watch something on here while you guys are doing that?
Yeah.
Well, we're ready for the fish bowls. Come
I
on,
know.
Ray. We're ready for the fish bowls.
Well,
I
we don't
know.
have to put it in right away. Just
Well,
do
we're
it.
ready for that.
Or this video is going to be too long, Reagan.
Okay, give me a minute.
Yeah, we have a problem with editing videos. Don't worry, I found a new editing app. We're good.
I did too. I found it before you. I found it yesterday.
Well, yeah, but you haven't used it yet. so-
Yeah, because I couldn't because there are too many videos.
This
That's
time,
your
you
problem.
guys
No,
are going to
that's
pick.
your guys'.
Guys, this time you guys are going to pick a number, but you guys still don't know which one. Got it?
Number 1 through what?
Why can't Siri
Eight.
pick the number?
Do you guys want some more Siri?
Yes, that's the whole point of this
Come on, then
video.
get Siri.
Yeah.
I'm 1
Can you
through
open
8.
Yeah.
Can you open it
I don't wanna
and hold the
hate
button? My hands are wet.
I really hope I.
What? Can we just put, if we don't like the color, can we just put like 1 in? Maybe weird.
We just take
You guys get a spoonful of it.
What's the number range?
We have to put it in.
1 through 8.
Pick a number 1 through 8.
The answer is 4.
Okay.
Hey Siri,
Do we all have the same
pick a number 1 through 8.
A random number between 1 and 8 is 7.
7.
Pick a number 1 through 8. Pick a number 1 through 8.
It's 7.
And the number, it's okay.
No, pick it.
Okay. Hey Siri, pick a number 1 through
Alexis, I think you got what kind of like maybe it's a good color, maybe it's not. I don't know. I think
Okay, what did we get?
Okay, Alyssa. You got pink.
Yes! Lucky.
Kennedy. What color did you want?
I wanted either clear or green. Or, oh, there's blue. I'll take that too.
You got green.
Okay.
Well, it's
Just
better.
kidding, you got blue.
What?
You got blue. Yeah.
How do they always get the colors that match theirs? Like the exact.
It's not
And
really.
like
She has
this.
stuff written down.
Just guess the color. Do you think you got the good one? The special one? Or
I
do you think-
hope a good one.
Correct. You got clear.
I knew
Yeah.
she got clear. I knew she would get clear. I think Reagan's rigging this.
That's a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
That's so little.
Yeah,
That
I
is
know.
not enough. That is not a spoonful. That's like half. There's just like small ones. That's a terrible idea. Okay. No, what we should have done is just put the slime out and then you put it in our slime. Yeah.
Kenny's not playing with hers. We're gonna start with one and then we'll add on.
Can we add more crystals, maybe?
Maybe. Some people
Get what you get and you don't get upset.
Really?
I thought it was throw. You don't throw a fit.
It is.
It can be
But in
both.
Pink Delicious, it's not. Okay,
Delicious.
get
You
your
still
whole
got? You still read Pink Delicious?
Our little sister
I dropped
does
it.
it. Really is it all the time.
Did everything? The only thing she reads? Does she ever read any like nonfiction books?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm doing nonfiction.
I like fantasy, but my friends don't like
There's a
fantasy.
bunch
They're
of different
like,
types
"Oh,
of fantasy."
realistic fiction is better, and then I have to get them free fantasy when we do fantasy units, and I'm like, oh, this is awful. I'm like, you're awful.
Look at where all this is. Look at where all my beads is. It's in this
Fantasy is the
little
best. You guys haven't read the Land of Stories? Dynamo.
Yeah,
just start reading
that's
that.
my new favorite phrase. But really, read the Land of Stories. It's really good.
Well, it's actually not bad. It actually looks kind of good.
I know where the go.
Where are my fish bowls, Reagan?
This was such
I'm getting them. Here, Alexis. This is your fishbowl. That's fishbowl to get.
There's a bunch of different shapes, like this one, a smaller circle, there's an oval, a smaller circle, a square cube thing. It's a terrible one. I'm gonna fall in my water. Yeah, I don't think these
You know what? I got this for Christmas 2 years ago.
And she has not opened them.
I have never opened
She
it. I just opened it today.
Yeah, and she couldn't find it, but she had this set of like 30 glitters.
Which I also got 2 years ago.
And she never opened it, and she won't let anyone else touch it either.
Yeah, exactly. It's so
And you added way too much. So.
I've never actually played with cloud slime, but I think it'd be really nice.
Yeah, I really want to try cloud slime. Yeah, okay, go back.
We're gonna, if this video gets 20 likes, we will try making every kind of slime we know.
No, how about if this video gets 20 likes, we'll try to get our parents to like get shaving cream or clay. No, we should to make like butter slime or instant. Or
No, if you get
cloud
20
slime.
likes, we're gonna make as many kinds of slime as we can.
As we know of.
As soon as we can.
And if we didn't do what some signs that you didn't know, comment down below.
And
share.
if we did some slimes that, if we didn't do some slimes that you know of, comment down below on that video.
Oh my gosh, Alyssa, there's a really long one in this batch.
Ooh.
I don't want the long ones, but you gave me them anyway, so.
I'm gonna show the long one.
They don't get
Thank
pressed.
you. I'm gonna show the long one.
Alexis, how many spoonfuls did I give you?
You gave me
One.
3. Well, you just gave me 2. Well, and
You
then
only gave me
before you gave me 1. So you
I
gave
gave
me
you
3 in total.
Me too.
One.
It's just so nice.
Reagan.
Is there any other rounds?
it's been filming for 30 minutes.
Yeah, we need to end.
Yeah, we need to end this soon.
How many? Oh, you gave me 2? Good.
Come on, let's end this soon, okay? So if we need another round, can you do it now? I think we should end this soon.
Does anyone want some sequins? There's
Yes.
blue, there's red, and there's silver. I will separate them for your colors.
Me.
Uh,
I want sequins.
can you bring it here? Just real quick?
Yeah, I just want to see like what type of friend it is.
Oh, it's like a.
Yes, please.
You want silver?
No, thank you.
So just little stuff?
I only want I don't want a bunch of sequins.
How
Just
many?
some. Just some. I don't really care. Just don't add so many. And then stretch it.
I told Reagan.
More or less.
When you guys asked us to come over,
That's good.
Reagan asked what we were doing, and like, oh, we're making slime, and she's like, I'm filming because she's not on picture place.
Reagan just wants to film a video, and now we did. Look, there's
It's just
somehow
sitting
still
there.
Food coloring that hasn't mixed in.
Yeah, well, if someone tells me where we put the camera,
Then we can use that and figure out something to do with it.
what do you guys want to do after this? I don't know if we should talk about this on camera. Yeah,
We'll
let's
talk about it later. What happened? These
I want to eat. I love eating.
I know.
You're becoming
We're
a
gonna
vegan.
film an eating video probably.
we are?
Yeah,
Why would we do that? We
because.
should do it in 24 hours. What do you mean?
Can't do that today.
I didn't say today, I said. And then
That's-
eventually. We tried to do one, but we basically forgot to film everything.
But does anyone want more bees or more fish bowls? I will give you as many as you want.
Blue fish balls, please.
Pink fish bowls, please.
Once these are good.
Just let me finish like fixing this little.
How many do you want? I'm never gonna use these for anything, so just gonna have as many as you want.
So I can have the entire jar.
Probably. But I get to
Can
distribute
be
it.
like, wow.
I'm probably never gonna use the glitter either. So if you want more glitter, surprise.
Can
Can
I
I
have
like-
some more fish bowls?
Yes,
we can save those for future videos. But I just.
Yeah, we should say future.
But I want some more blue fish balls.
I do
There's
want
some
some
black
more
fish bowls.
I do
Blue
want
fish
some more
bowls.
fish bowls. And I might want a
what
little
color?
color.
Can I look
think
over
if I
here
want-
It, the
What?
water's
I just
kind of
wanna see
making
what
my
color
slime.
I'm gonna think if I want
Did these
more
count as
glitter. I'll think
pencils?
about it.
Mhm.
I'm
These would be
I'm
cool
gonna
if,
decide
if
if I
someone
want-
got purple. I would. If I got purple, I might want these, but I wouldn't want the green part to it. Right?
I ruined my slime.
They're all on my hand.
What did you do,
That's terrible apple.
It's the Elsa toothpaste.
Too much water.
Okay, show the camera it. Okay, let's
Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together, you guys.
wait, you gotta let the camera see how it ruined it. Look.
It's better. It's better now.
But it was
She's ruining it again.
I would like more pink fish bowls, please.
I don't want those long straw ones.
Sorry.
I'm gonna let it work. I'm gonna work it in. And
The more you don't use now,
long straw. I think the long
Put it in.
straw.
Wait. I get it.
Oh no! My slime.
I'm gonna give them to you.
Put it in. You want any more glitter? Sure. A little bit more. Ooh, can I try some silver or no? Because that's a different kind of.
No, you need to use your one.
I
So
added all
Kennedy-
that water.
Kennedy has all blue things, and Alyssa has like all pink.
And I have
Red.
green
And
and
like
like
just silver/white.
Yeah, I added some more activated. and that's-
5, 8, 7.
I need to fry this.
That is so much glitter.
I want some more
You should
glitter
be glad
and
that-
can I have some more glitter and fish bowls,
No.
please?
Me too, please.
No.
Hey, what was that secret ingredient you said?
The sequence.
I think we should end the video
Yeah, we should
soon.
probably end the video.
Yeah, let's end the video.
Bye guys, like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe, and comment down below what colors you would want. And
Like,
if
subscribe and comment down below who you think is the best.
I think the winner.
And also-
Wait, I need to describe the winner first, second, and third. The third place is Alyssa because the pink and red. I don't know. It's just. I mean, they all look really good. I would say the
I don't
consistency.
like my sisters.
They all look great. Second place is Alexis because I like the colors.
I would get second place. You're mean.
And first place is Kennedy because she is all blue.
I wanted second place.
I love
Okay, then
second
you
place.
can have second place. I'll take first place.
No, that means I'll take first place.
Okay, guys, like, subscribe, comment down below who you think won,
Yeah, comment
And
down below
comment
who
down-
you think won. But first
and-
we have to show you our slimes.
and comment down below if you think if we should do the do all this, or like it up if you want to do that.
This
And
is my
subscribe
slime.
and comment down below if you want to do anything else.
Comment down
And
below.
share the video.
Comment down below and say who you think won.
They look like
comment
pimples, guys. These look like pimples.
This
Also,
is mine.
comment down below if you have any other challenges for us to do.
Wait,
So we're basically
spread it
out
out
of
one more
ideas.
time, Melissa.
Yeah.
Everyone, spread it out. I need to see. Kennedy, please stir that up.
I can't fix it anymore.
She broke it again.
I'm sure I can do it. Just
Alexis' look is pretty good too. I like Alexis's.
let me just stir this up here.
You kind of got green though.
What?
Guys, we should do another with off camera. We should do lime green. We should do with this.
We don't have any more glue.
Oh.
Okay, anyway, bye.
Bookers.
Okay, bye.
Kennedy, what are we supposed to do? I don't know. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, comment down below, subscribe, all that stuff.
Comment down below who's you think won, and also comment down below if you have any other challenges. Because
That's all for today. Bye.
Bye.
Reagan.
Did you just drop your slime?